Hello everyone, I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. In this video, I am going to present boundary representation. It is the one of the method of solid modeling. Boundary representation is one of the two most popular and widely used schemes to create solid model of physical object. A BRUP model or boundary model is based on the topological notion that a physical object is bounded by a set of faces. These faces are regions or subsets of closed and orientable surfaces. A closed surface is one that is continuous without breaks. An orientable surface is one in which it is possible to distinguish the two sides by using the direction of the surface normal to point to the inside or outside of the solid model under construction. Each faces is bounded by edges and each edges is bounded by vertices. Thus, topologically, a boundary model of a object is comprised of faces, edges, and vertices of the object linked together in such a way as to ensure the topological consistency of the model. This is the open polyhedral object. Line, so a rectangle box. This is a disk. These all the open polyhedral object. This is a curved object. Extract the BRUP of cylinder and a sphere. Boundary representation. Why boundary representation, that is BRUP, include such topological information? A solid is represented as a closed space in 3D space, that is surface connected without gaps. The boundary of a solid separate point inside from points outside solid. BRUP versus surface modeling. Surface modeling, in which a collection of surface entities which simply enclose a volume, lacks the connective data to define a solid, that is topology. BRUP model techniques guarantee that surfaces definitely divide model space into solid and void even after model modification commands. BRUP data structure. BRUP graph store face, edges and vertices as node with pointer or branches between the nodes to indicate connectively. Vertex means it is a unique point in space. Edges means it is finite non-self intersecting directing space curve bounded by two vertices that are not necessary distancing. Face, it is defined as a finite connected non-self intersecting region of a closed oriented surface bounded by one or more loops. Loop means it is an order alternative sequence of vertex and edges. Okay, so body or cell, it is a set of faces that boundary a single connected closed volume. A minimum body is a point. This is the BRUP data structure. In this figure, the triangular section having, this is a solid triangular section having 5 faces and 8 edges and 5 vertices. Boundary representation system must validate topology of created solid. BRUP has to fulfill certain conditions to disallow the self-interacting and open object. These conditions include each edge should adjacent exactly two faces and have a vertex at each end. Vertices are geometrically described by point coordinates. At least 3 edges must meet at each vertex. Faces are described by surface equations. The set of faces form a complete skin of the solid with no missing parts. Each face is bordered by an ordered set of edges forming a closed loop. Faces must only intersect at common edges or vertices. The boundaries of faces don't intersect themselves. Boundary representation validity also checked through mathematical evaluation. The equation is based upon the Euler's law, valid for simply polyhedral. There is no hole. Here the formula is V minus E plus F equal to 2. V means vertex, E means edges, F means face loop. Here this triangle with vertices, number of vertices 5, edges 8 and face loop 5. Okay, we can put the value in this equation equal to, so 5 minus a plus 5 equal to 2. The value is 2 equal to 2. The both are same value, so 1. Okay, then boundary representation, Euler Poincare law, that is here if the parts having hole means we can take this formula V minus E plus F minus H equal to 2 into C minus G. Here H means number of holes in face, G number of passage or holes through holes, C means number of separate bodies. Here these figures we can find out this Euler's formula, utilize this formula V minus E plus F minus H equal to 2 into C minus G. Here V means 24 vertex, edges 36, faces 15 and the number of holes on the face equal to 3 into 2 into C means number of separate bodies 1 and G means number of passages through the hole 1. Okay, this is the solid model generation using BREP. The figure, boundary representation, unambiguous and uniqueness. Valid BREPs are unambiguous, not fully unique, but much more so that CSG. Okay, consecutive solid geometry. The potential difference exists in the division of surface into faces and face curves into edges. Then advantages of boundary representation, capability to construct unusual shapes that would not be possible with the available CSG, aircraft fuselages and swing shapes, less computational time to reconstruct the image. Disadvantages, require more storage, more prone to validate failure than CSG, model display limited to planar faces and linear edges, complex curve and surface only approximated. This is the solid object construction method, sweeping, boolean, then automated fillet and chambering, tweaking. The faces of the object is moved in some way. Okay, reference Ibrahim Sayed, Mastering CAD CAM to Atomic Raw. Thank you.